Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make scrambled eggs perfectly, only way. Whisk eggs gently with a splash of milk and a pinch of salt, heat butter over medium-low, pour eggs in and stir slowly to form soft curds, remove from heat while slightly runny, then finish resting in the pan until set. This method yields creamy, tender eggs every time with minimal fuss and reliable results. Gather simple ingredients: eggs, unsalted butter, a splash of milk or cream, and salt. Beat eggs until yolks and whites are just combined, don't over-whisk. Melt butter over medium-low heat until foamy but not browned. Cook the eggs slowly, stirring continuously to create small, soft curds. Remove the pan from heat while still slightly glossy so residual heat finishes them. Serve immediately for best texture and flavor. Technique matters more than fancy ingredients. Use a silicone spatula to fold eggs gently and scrape the pan, keeping curds soft and even. Maintain medium-low heat so eggs cook slowly and never seize up. Constant, gentle motion produces creamy texture rather than dry flakes. Take the pan off the stove when they look slightly underdone, because carryover heat finishes them to perfection. Plate quickly and enjoy the silky result.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.